everybody, my name is Devonna Nicole. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Boxy Charms Base Box for August 2021. This is a $25 monthly box. It comes with 5 full-size products in it, and it has a value up to at least $125. If you're new to my channel, thank you and welcome. I do weekly unboxings of different subscription and lifestyle and beauty unboxings every week. So please tune in, check out some of my other videos. But for right now, we're going to get started on this here box. So guys, when I first opened the box, this is what I am seeing. And we have our little monthly card that comes in here. It tells us what kind of version of the box we have. I have version C21087070-BA, which means base box. And this month, the Boxy Charm theme is go all out. So they also have on the bottom of our little pamphlet here, a little card to let us know when Boxy Charm sales are going to be on for people that are already signed up for Boxy Charms. So I'm going to get into this box. So the first thing that I pull out, guys, is this Jekka Black. And this is the Play Pot. It's vegan and cruelty free. The Play Pots are cream pigments that can be used for your eyes, lips, and cheeks. As a cream pigment, they are super easy and effortless to blend out. So this is how it looks in the box. And when I take it out the box, this is what I'm seeing. And let me see what color I have. I have Pink Pearl Shimmer Finish is what I have in my hand. And it has a little, ooh. So it comes in like a waxy kind of cream. That's what I feel. That's what it feels. It feels a little bit like waxy on my finger. But you're supposed to be able to use these lips, cheek, and eyes. So let's see what this color looks like on me. Let me get a good amount. And I'm just going to swatch it. And I'm just going to put it right there so you guys can see. And again, this is the color that I have here. Looks pretty good. Good skin match for me. Definitely something I can see myself wearing. Definitely. Alright. I don't have any cream blushes or anything like that. So this will be good to try out. Up next, we have, now I was hoping I got this. It's Frank's Booty Drops. And it has such a funky name. You instantly like, what? Booty Drops? Like, what? It's more than for just your booty. You can use it all over your whole body. But it's supposed to be like a firming body oil that you can put on different areas. And this has a value of Frank's Body Booty Drops. Has a value of $17.95, and it says drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help keep you smooth all over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin and get you glowing. So I've heard mixed reviews about what this stuff smells like, so I definitely have to smell it. Somebody said it smelled like, what did they say it smelled like? Dang it, I can't remember, but they said it stunk. Somebody else said it smelled like coffee, so let's see. And this is how it looks when you take it out. It's just, again, an oil. I don't smell anything right off the bat. Yeah, it do has a little funky taste. It's like it smells like smoked coffee. Yeah, that's what it kind of has, like a smoky kind of scent to it mixed with like a coffee scent. So, you know, if you go into bed with your significant other, I wouldn't get too heavy-handed with this one. But, you know, you're trying to firm it all up, so he may have to just suck in the smell a little bit. Maybe it disappears. Let's see. Maybe it disappears after you wear it, I wonder. Just kind of wanted to see how it blends in. It doesn't seem super oily. Just feels like a regular body oil, nothing fancy. We'll see if the scent disappears by the time I finish this video. The next product that I have is Prelease I have the Ageless Glow BB Serum Cream, which has a SPF of 40. This is valued at $38. Various ingredients that help with skin's elasticity, brightening, and moisturize, all while providing a natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin. So let's see. I believe I chose this. I have Deep is the color that I have. And you know, some of these deeps are not really deep. So let's just take a quick look and see what we got here. Oh, and it's sealed. I'm still going to take a little bit out of here. So basically, this is how it comes out the box in this lovely little tube. This is a full-size product, 1.4 fluid ounces, and we're just going to do a little test to see how this comes out for me, to see if it's going to work for me at all. So I'm just going to put a little drop here on, and I'm just going to put it up here, and we're just going to see how this works out, to see if this is going to be a good match for me. You never know. You never know. I hope it works. It seems pretty good to me. I don't know what you guys think. I think it worked out pretty well with the color. It looks like it'll be a good match. So that'll be fun to try. Something lightweight to wear while we ride out the rest of the summer with this heat. My God, I don't know if we'll be wearing any makeup, but you know. My next product that I have here is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Now, I have used the regular Exfoliate that she has when I do my facials, and I really do enjoy that product. And I am glad that I got another product in my box that I can try out. So the Kate Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer is $70 is the value of this, and it says it revives dull, dry, lackluster skin, and it's a powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal a younger looking skin. So I think that's pretty dope. So can't wait to use that. Our final product for this box is the Mally Gel Waterproof Liner, and this has a value of $19. And I have been rocking with Mally since I really first got really serious into trying makeup, because that was like one of the first makeups that I ordered. I ordered it off of like QVC, and I have so many of her liners. The only thing I hate, they said, what color is this? Onyx. She makes so many other colors that are super great, and I know for most of these subscription boxes, all they send us is black. So Onyx to me means black. So let's take a line here. Yeah, black. But I love her waterproof eyeliners. This is a bonus for me because I'm very familiar with her products. I've tried many things out of her product line since it was one of the first major things that I tried. But I'm happy pretty much with this box. Let's see what we have here. So the Mally Gel Waterproof Liner eyeliner is valued at $19. We have the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer valued at $70. We have the Prelease Ageless Serum BB Cream, and that is valued at $38. And we have the Frank's Body Booty Drops, if I can get that together, firming oil at $17.95. And we have the Jecca Black Pay Pot coming in at $21.50. Again, this box only costs $25. I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, I'm not saying there's something that's completely blowing me away, but I'm pretty satisfied for $25 what I received in my box. Your box pretty much doesn't even put a quarter down on this product here. So for $25 to just try out different products, different companies and brands, I think it's a great value. I'm pretty happy. I don't know what you guys think. What do you guys think about this box? I mean, I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, it's not like one of those boxes that's going to like blow you out of the water, but we got some really good quality products, and that's dope to me. So I can use all of this stuff. It's not like... So guys, let me know what you thought about my box. Let me know in the comments what you thought about these Frank's Body Booty Drops. And let me know what your favorite item was out of this box. Please feel free to peruse my channel and check out some of my other videos. I do weekly unboxings. Please feel free to stop by and keep checking out your girl. I'll see you next time. Bye.